You've been saying tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll start. Tomorrow I'll change. Tomorrow I'll fix it. But what if tomorrow never comes? What if today, right now, in this exact moment, is the only shot you get? This is not motivation. This is not a feel-good video. This is a wake-up call. Most people watching this will feel something for a few minutes. And then go back to the same life. And you know why? Because change is uncomfortable. Because growth hurts. Because your comfort zone is slowly killing you, and it feels good doing it. Here is the truth. You are not stuck because of your past. You are not stuck because of other people. You are not stuck because of bad luck. You are stuck because every single day, you choose comfort over courage. There is a moment called the do or die moment. It is the moment a soldier has no retreat. The moment a fighter has no option but to win. When your back is against the wall, and something deep inside you wakes up. Most people wait for life to force that moment on them. A health scare. A heartbreak. Losing everything. But the ones who truly win in life, they create that moment for themselves. They decide today that the old version of them is done. Gone. Buried. Not coming back. And the new version starts right now. So how do you actually change your life in one day? Here is exactly what you do. Step 1. Declare war on your old self. Write down every habit, every excuse, every thought that has been holding you back. Look at that list. That is your enemy. Not the world. You. Step 2. Make one non-negotiable decision. Not 10 goals. Not a vision board. One decision that you will not break no matter what. Step 3. Do the thing you have been avoiding. You know exactly what it is. The call you haven't made. The door you haven't walked through. The conversation you keep postponing. Do it today. Not perfectly. Just do it. Step 4. Burn the bridges. Tell someone. Write it down. Make it real. Because when it only lives in your head, it is just a dream. But when the world knows, it becomes a commitment. Step 5. End the day differently. Tonight before you sleep, ask yourself, did I move forward today or did I stand still? That one question every single night will change your life. Before I let you go, I want you to hear something. I know life hasn't been easy. I know you have tried before and it didn't go the way you hoped. I know some days it feels like no matter how hard you push, nothing moves. And that is okay. That does not make you a failure. That makes you human. But here is what I also know. The fact that you are still here, still searching, still looking for something better, that means the fight in you is not dead. It has just been quiet for a while. Change does not always look like a big dramatic moment. Sometimes it is just a quiet decision you make alone. I am not going to live like this anymore. No announcement. No applause. Just you and that decision. You do not have to have it all figured out today. You just have to take one step. One honest, real, imperfect step. That is your turning point. And I promise you, it is never too late to find it. Thank you for being here today. If this reached you in any way, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe to The Turning Point. Because this is just the beginning.